Everton beaches Stout Mcdonald and his co-accused found guilty of killing his second wife. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV breaking news report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV news report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV news report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The popular Portland businessman Everton beaches Stout Mcdonald and his co-accused Oscar Barnes have been found guilty of murder and conspiracy to murder in the 2020 killing of Mcdonald's wife Tonia. The verdict was handed down Wednesday afternoon in the home circuit courts in Kingston, Jamaica. The jury returned with the verdict after approximately an hour of deliberating following trial judge Chester Stamp's submission. After the verdict was handed down, family members of Miss Tonia Mcdonald could be seen weeping. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast.